Want to get benefits like loan without collateral, subsidies on patent registration, concessions on electricity bill. For all these benefits, you just have to register your business under MSME. Hi guys, I am Anshul Sharma and I am the founder of LawStreet. In today's video, we will discuss what is MSME and how you can register your business under MSME. So let's discuss MSME, that is micro, small and medium enterprises. So an interesting fact about MSME is that they are considered to be the backbone of the nation economy, and the reason is quite obvious. The small and medium enterprises, they constitute the substantial part of the industrial production in any country, and I am only talking about the developing countries. So because the small and medium enterprises, they have such a major contribution towards the industrial production of that country, that you would find that they also significantly contributes towards the two major two major aspects, that is GDP, which is gross domestic product of the country, and exports made by the country. So in India, MSME sector has a great importance. That's why government of India is launching scheme after scheme just for the one reason, to promote the MSME sector. Apart from all this, do you know one more thing? One big reason why MSME has a great importance in India and in all developing countries, because MSME sector generates employment, and providing employment itself a big benefit of the MSME sector. So today we can all say that developing countries, for their economic growth and economic development, they are dependent on the MSME sector. Now, how can you register your business under MSME online? Only manufacturer and service provider can register their business under MSME. Traders are not allowed to register their business under MSME. So if you want to register your business under MSME, just visit my website www.lawstatecorporation.com. You have to fill the form and our lawyers will contact you. You just don't have to go anywhere. So be safe, stay home.